The ancestor that brought the idea that putting thread on baby head will stop hiccup, please step forward. Even if the person is not alive, the family should step forward. Enough is enough. This is the time. We cannot be swallowing anything hook, line and sinker. We have to be asking questions. How did you invent this? Who brought about this? That thread will cure hiccup. How will the thread go into the head, the skull, the brain, the esophagus, and go down and go and cure the hiccup? Please, are we accepted this? Gen Z Alpha mamas gather here. We have to be asking some questions. Some things are not adding up, because you sef think about it.